and good morning. I am getting ready to cut my bangs. They're going to be like a curtain style of bangs. And it dawned on me, I should just show you how I do it. So this is just totally impromptu, and I hope you get some value out of it. If you do, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, because I do have a lot more interesting content. But it seems that gals on the internet are having problems with their bangs. I've seen all of these like bang fails, and I've never had a bang fail. I did go to beauty school for a short period of time, but I just kind of learned this on my own. So I want to show you guys, so if you want to cut bangs, you don't like end up on one of those videos where the bangs are like up to here. First of all, one thing to think about is your hair, when it is wet, is stretched out, so it's a little bit longer, and your hair does need to be wet to cut your bangs. That's the best way to cut hair, is when it is wet. So let me show you my part here. Basically, let's see, can you see it? Hopefully you can. Basically, I just took a rounded out area. I made it nice and smooth. I used my comb like this to just grab the hair. And I'm not going to take this piece, but I'll show you. Just grab the hair and separate it out. And then any little pieces that are in here that you can't get to, or even any pieces in here that are like jagged, you just make it straight with your comb. So that's what I did. I just went ahead and parted my hair out. Now, I would suggest you put your hair in like a ponytail or something so you don't cut anything else. You do need to pay attention to how far back you go on your head. If your hair is thinner, the further back you go, the more bulk you are taking away from the hair that you do have. So you need to think about that as well. I do need to apologize for the lighting. I'm not really set up. Like I said, this was impromptu. So here we go. So we have our part here. Another thing to pay attention to is how wide you want your bangs, because you don't want, I mean, maybe you do, but you don't want to have your bangs like way back here. You know, they want to end. And again, this is for curtain bangs. If you want to do regular bangs, then it's pretty much the same thing. You separate your hair out, and then you're just going to do the same thing, but you'll cut it shorter. So you need to, first of all, comb through the hair, make sure it's nice and, whoa, I bumped my light, nice and straight. Where's my, okay, once your hair is nice and combed straight down, you need to use some hair cutting scissors. They work the best. And then take and figure out in a mirror. So let's figure out here in this little camera, in my camera mirror. I want curtain bangs. So if I wanted like bangs that were going to show my eyebrows and eyes, I would cut right here and see how that goes. Because your bangs are going to poof up a little bit, just from, you know, gravity or whatever. Well, gravity poofs it down. Whatever. It's early. So you want to cut lower. Do not ever cut exactly where you want your bangs to be. If you cut exactly where you want your bangs to be, they will be too short. You need to cut at least probably a ½ inch to an inch lower, just to be on the safe side. And then if it's not low enough, then just take a teeny little bit off after that. Okay, so those are the tips. Now, the bangs. I want my bangs to be, I want them to be able to go all the way to the side. So I want it long enough for a clip. So I'm probably going to go, right, let me look in my mirror here. Yeah, I think I'm going to start pretty low because, like I said, you can always go higher. So I'm holding the hair like this. I have it between my two fingers, just like that. And then I'm going to take the scissors and cut the hair on the top part of where my fingers are. And I'm going to make sure my fingers are extra straight, so I cut the hair straight. With curtain bangs, honestly, if you cut it a little crooked, it's not going to matter because you're going to throw them to the side anyway. But we do want to make sure we cut them as straight as possible. So we're just going to, okay, make sure. Okay, I think that's good. And we're just going to cut. So let me get close so you can see me cut. When you have scissors that are a little dull, sometimes the end doesn't want to cut as much. So here's our hair. We'll just save that. Or throw it away, I mean. We'll just save that for a rainy day. Okay. Alright, so we got the hair off. Comb it. For me, curtain bangs don't have to be perfect. Let me show you though how to make them perfect. So now we just have this little teeny edge, right? We just have a little teeny edge here and it's a little uneven. So we're just going to take our scissors and very carefully underneath this time, so you can see, very carefully just snip that line nice and straight. And there you have it. You have nice straight curtain bangs. Let's check to make sure they're even. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll take your two hairs right here and you'll just pull it down, and if one feels longer, then you know it's not even. When I pull these down, they feel even. Then I'll go to in here, even, in here, even. All right. Now I can just take my bangs and it's perfect. I can push them to the side and I can still put a clip in. So I dyed my hair recently. I'm gonna go and get my hair all done and ready and do a hair reveal and show you guys what my new hair looks like. So yay! I'll see you soon with some makeup on. I hope you have a fantastic day. Once again, be sure to subscribe. I do all kinds of creative things on this channel. Everything from beauty to furniture, restoration, home decor, arts and crafts, all kinds of cool stuff. So make sure that you check out more videos on my channel. I hope this helps. Wait, hang on. This is my normal outro. Have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.